Prepare yourself well to explore the exciting world of oversized transport. We're about to introduce impressive techniques for moving large loads. Start this journey with us now. It's impressive to see the new 790 Neo Behemoth, with an operating weight of 1,275,000 lbs, being hauled through the streets on a Volvo truck. This is not only part of the contract to transport mining equipment to the TX Group in Chile, but is also a testament to their commitment to the mining industry through efficient and safe logistics solutions. This scene is like parts of the Autobots from Transformers suddenly coming to life, providing an emotional and magical experience in the world of mining. This is certainly not a UFO landing in France, but a giant 422-ton GE offshore wind turbine moving on the highway. With its massive size, it looks like a spaceship from another galaxy, making it an extremely impressive sight. As it rolls down the road, this wind turbine, along with its trailer weighing a total of 522 tons, resembles a giant herd of slowly moving elephants. What an extreme adrenaline experience, full of drama and thrills. It was truly an adrenaline-pumping sight to see the legendary Mack RSI X100, one of the finest trucks in history, transporting loads of timber in Honduras. The image of the giant truck leaving the hill, followed by a tall D5 tractor, not only highlights the danger but also demonstrates the skill required for one of the world's toughest jobs. Hello. This is Mobile Heavy Metal, two giant gasoline tanks weighing 460 tons and 53 meters long. It's a beast on the road, and seeing it dwarf other cars on the highway is truly impressive. But when they appear in the middle of a crowded city, the scene is much more impressive. A big shout out to the team who executed this mission with absolute precision. I've always been fascinated by oversized loads, and this is truly a breathtaking demonstration of their transportability. Buckingham's 2020 Kenworth W990 is towing a giant transformer on the King 19-axle trailer trail, a truly impressive sight. After many years of driving Kenworth trucks, I appreciate how smooth and efficient they are with very few problems. But moving an oversized load across the single route from the Port of Baltimore was such a huge challenge that it required 19 axles and tons of copper to support it. What an amazing and impressive job! If you like this video about the biggest excavator, leave comment number 1. Zoomlion LW 2340-180 Wind Power Tower Crane is a tower crane specially designed for installing wind turbine masts. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 180 tons and a working height of 80 meters, The LW2340-180 enables precise and efficient installation tasks even in difficult terrain conditions. The advanced control system and 360-degree rotation ability help the crane operate flexibly, improving efficiency and safety in large-scale wind energy projects. The Svetruk TMF 2821 demonstrates outstanding strength when unloading from Volvo FH126X2 timber trucks at timber warehouses in Scandinavia. With a lifting capacity of 28 tons and a working height of 8.5 meters, it easily handles heavy wooden blocks even on rough terrain. The machine's flexible clamping and rotation system ensures quick and precise unloading, optimizing the working process in the difficult geographical conditions of the area. The Caterpillar 385C excavator combined with the Atlas Copco 10,000 hydraulic hammer from Sotiriadis Demolitions forms a powerful pair in demolition work. With a hammer power of up to 10,000 kg, hydraulic hammers can break hard concrete and metal structures quickly. The Caterpillar 385C, with its 85-ton weight and deep digging and raising capabilities, supports efficient hammer movement and control. This combination not only enhances work efficiency but also ensures accurate and safe demolition in construction and redevelopment projects. Footage from the WLK-TB helicopter with a gyro-stabilized zoom lens captures the WLK Ericsson antenna elevator sky crane in an impressive display. The video shows the pilot's skill in controlling the giant machine precisely in tight spaces. Additional footage from the installation crew's helmet-mounted cameras added to the tension and drama of the operation. The modern Alina Supernova carrot harvester is ideal for large agricultural areas such as plains and fertile lands. The machine has a harvesting capacity of up to 30 tons of carrots per hour thanks to its precise cutting system and powerful conveyor belt. Equipped with a cutting unit that can adjust the depth from 15 to 30 cm and a working speed of up to 6 km per hour, the machine helps optimize the harvesting process in diverse soil conditions. The machine works effectively in areas with flat or slightly rough terrain, ensuring clean and quick harvesting. Welcome to another impressive performance by the VB10000 in platform recovery in the Gulf of Mexico. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 10,000 tons, VB10000 demonstrates outstanding strength when pulling giant oil and gas platforms out of the deep waters of the bay. Equipped with advanced crane systems and precise control technologies, it faces the challenge of deep-sea terrain and harsh weather conditions. The combination of modern engineering and mechanical strength in this operation not only demonstrates the ability to handle large volumes but also highlights the courage and spirit of innovation in the oil and gas industry. If you are looking for power and durability in forest exploitation, the Tritordora Forestal Martillo Fijo Combat 2400 PICURSA is the ideal choice. With a capacity of up to 300 kW and the ability to process wood with a maximum diameter of 800 the machine can crush giant blocks of wood with ease. The fixed crushing hammer system and sharp cutting blades allow the machine to operate effectively in rough terrain conditions. Each operation is an impressive performance, turning the deep green forest into quickly processed wood chips. The B-Hole BWS 160 skidder is ideal for forestry work on rough terrain. With a large engine and a pulling capacity of up to 16 tons, the sled is capable of pulling and moving large logs with ease. In particular, the machine is equipped with chain wound wheels, which help enhance traction and improve durability when working on muddy ground or steep hills. The cable pulling system and flexible moving mechanism help the machine operate stably, optimize the mining process and minimize the impact on the environment. Discover the Vermeer HG6800TX chip drum, where power and sophistication combine perfectly. With a 585 motor and a crushing capacity of up to 454 meters per hour, the machine turns large logs into uniform shreds in the blink of an eye. Imagine agile handling on any terrain, from open plains to rough terrain. This machine not only optimizes the wood chopping process but also delivers outstanding performance, making every woodworking task easier and more efficient than ever. Ficon StumpX demo demonstrates outstanding performance in stump removal. Able to effectively crush tree stumps, the machine uses a special drill to crush tree stumps without the need for a saw blade. Using a powerful motor, the machine can handle tree stumps up to 28 inches in diameter and 20 inches deep. On difficult terrain, the machine still operates smoothly thanks to its advanced design, minimizing vibration and noise. With a grinding speed of 20 stumps per hour, Ficon StumpX is the perfect choice for those who need an effective solution for stump removal. Senabogan 870 crawler operates effectively in Turkish ports. With a large electric motor, the machine loads and unloads goods onto trucks quickly and accurately. The crawler design provides flexible movement, while the long boom and powerful clamping bucket increase productivity. The machine minimizes noise and emissions, making it ideal for busy seaports. Himik Hero skid steer mixer bucket is used for mixing and transporting materials, with a mixing tank capacity of up to 450 liters. The tank's mixing speed is up to 20 RPM, allowing for even mixing of concrete, mortar and other construction materials right on the truck. Flamand Agriculture's SFM grinder mulcher is a typical machine for pasture improvement and land treatment. The machine is equipped with a motor with a capacity of up to 150 and has sharp blades that help crush plants, weeds, and straw effectively. With the ability to work on areas with diverse terrain, from flat grasslands to barren land, the machine has a working width of up to 2.5 meters, allowing large areas to be quickly treated. The Caterpillar 6040 excavator works in mines, loading 250-ton dump trucks at impressive speeds. With a weight of 600 tons and a modern engine, the machine can transport large volumes of minerals from rough terrain areas. Large buckets and long cranes help optimize work processes, even in harsh weather conditions. The Caterpillar 6040 plays a key role in improving mining productivity, quickly and efficiently processing large volumes of minerals. The use of Joskin Trans K27-65 Tridem dump trucks in construction projects in Belgium is a typical example. With a load capacity of up to 27 tons and a capacity of 65 cubic meters, this dump truck can handle and transport large volumes of sand and construction materials. Equipped with a sturdy Tridem axle system, it provides excellent stability and control over uneven terrain. This machine excels at moving in tight construction areas, helping to deliver goods quickly. Schneefer-Sen MIT Unimog is an extremely popular snow removal tool for areas with large amounts of snow and harsh terrain. Equipped with a snow cutting system with a cutting width of up to 2.5 meters and the ability to discharge snow up to 20 meters, this device easily handles large piles of heavy snow. Unimog provides performance and stability on snow-covered roads. This combination helps maintain traffic clearance and safety in harsh winter conditions. When it comes to cleaning agricultural fields, GROPEL's ZK 7.0 hydrogen rock collector is an indispensable companion. With a working width of 7 meters and the ability to handle stones up to 30 cm in size, this device works like a pro, separating stones from soil. Offering time savings and increased productivity, the machine is the ideal choice for large fields. In the forested and mountainous areas of Northern Europe, transporting wood became easier with Trasporto Legname. Specialized timber trucks such as 6x6 vehicles with a load capacity of up to 30 tons and tractors capable of towing large loads help transport a significant volume of wood. Trasporto Legname operates smoothly in harsh weather conditions, specifically cold winters, ensuring wood is transported safely and efficiently to processing plants. Challenger Terra Gator 3244 liquid fertilizer dispenser with 500 motor and pump system. With wide wheels, the machine easily operates on different terrains, from plains to muddy ground. It distributes liquid fertilizer evenly across large fields, helping to optimize fertilization and enhance crop yields. OE 4.5 FRUMACO Shake and Catch Harvester is a famous machine for harvesting apples, especially on apple orchards with diverse terrain. With a 75 kilowatts vibration system and a 2.5 meter wide collection conveyor, the machine ensures gentle separation of apples from the tree. With a harvesting capacity of up to 8-10 tons per hour, OE 4.5 helps optimize the apple harvesting process, minimize losses and save time for farmers. In the large field, the Pi KNY Bison Z56 wheat harvester and the Ursus 1614 tractor combine perfectly in an impressive exhibition. The machine uses a harvester that cuts and cleans the wheat quickly, while the Ursus 1614, with its 90 horsepower pulling capacity and four-wheel drive, aids in the transport of heavy loads uphill. This spectacle not only demonstrates the power and performance of machinery but is also reminiscent of Poland's agricultural heritage. Pistachio harvesting in California, primarily in central and southern California, occurs in late summer and early fall when daytime temperatures typically range from 27°C to 35°C. Modern harvesting machinery, such as tree shakers and automatic harvesters, are used to shake the trees, dropping the fruit onto large tarpaulins spread under the trees. Then, the seeds are transferred to a sorting machine for shelling and cleaning. With a growing area of up to tens of thousands of hectares, California is one of the largest pistachio production areas in the world, providing products to domestic and international markets.
Do you know anything about this hydraulic drum cutter, F30 or W? Leave me comment number 1. Liebherr 924 is a reliable assistant for building embankments and trenches with topsoil. With a powerful engine ranging from 129Q to 140Q, the machine features massive buckets ranging from 0.55 m to 1.65 m, efficiently handling materials like soil, sand, and rock. Its advanced hydraulic system and flexible boom ensure high performance and precision in every movement, providing a safe and efficient working environment. Image of the CAT 160 MA WD snow grader at Algonquin College. With a net power of up to 213 horsepower and an operating weight of over 52,000 pounds, it efficiently pushes and shapes snow. The four-wheel drive system provides superior traction and stability on slippery surfaces. The machine's versatility allows for blade control to clear road edges and create neat snow piles. Felbermayer's Liebherr LTM 1759.1 crane is one of the most powerful mobile cranes available today. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 750 tons and a crane height of up to 52 meters, it ensures high performance and flexibility in all terrain conditions. Equipped with advanced technology, this crane not only meets heavy lifting requirements, but also ensures safety and efficiency in large construction projects. Under the thick blanket of white snow, the SIA T150 and two Fence 724 Vario tractors are tirelessly at work, bringing warmth to the icy roads. The SIA T150, with its sharp plow blade and 200 horsepower, clears away thick layers of snow, leveling out the rough terrain, creating a smooth foundation. The two Fence 724 Vario Warriors, each equipped with a 240 horsepower engine, energetically support by pushing back stubborn snowbanks. Their perfect combination of power and agility has turned the winter battlefield into an impressive performance. Continuing the harvesting tasks, Komatsu 895, a forestry giant with a load capacity of 20 tons and a 21-meter-long boom, conquers the toughest terrains. The bunk ranges from 5.2 to 7.2 square meters, accommodating large logs after each harvest. Its hydrostatic four-wheel drive system and hydraulic disc brakes ensure absolute safety when navigating rugged forest terrain. The roar of the powerful engine asserts its extraordinary strength. The firewood blocker cutting machine at Rick's Woodyard is a specialized device for cutting or splitting wood into small logs for firewood. The machine is equipped with a powerful engine and sharp cutting blades, enabling it to process large logs quickly and efficiently. Its safety design includes protective features and an emergency stop system, ensuring safety for operators. Some models also feature automatic functions, increasing productivity and reducing manual labor. The MT7 Buffalo Turbine Cyclone is an ideal turbine dust blower for cleaning up large parks and parking lots. With an airflow of 35,000 CFM and wind speed of 150 mph, it blows away leaves, branches, grass clippings, light snow, and other debris. Powered by a 26.5 horsepower Kohler EFI engine and featuring an efficient turbine design with a 360-degree adjustable nozzle, it ensures fast, precise, and durable cleaning. Looking at the impressive Scania timber truck, one is awestruck by its power and sophistication. Equipped with a powerful engine and a flexible four-wheel drive system, the truck navigates all terrains with stability and high performance. Its hydraulic crane, like a giant hand, steadfastly lifts large logs easily and accurately. The land-based bucket ladder dredger is an icon of industry and power and resource extraction, both on land and underwater. With its strong bucket ladder and conveyor system, it has the capability to dig deep and move large volumes of material. Widely used in bridge construction, canal maintenance, and port development, it symbolizes exploration and the advancement of engineering technology. The Mastenbrake 20/15 drainage trencher, a silent hero of agriculture and infrastructure construction, boasts a powerful 130 horsepower engine, capable of digging up to 1.5 meters deep and 0.9 meters wide. Flexible and cost-effective, this machine enhances work efficiency and optimizes costs, serving agricultural systems to complex transportation projects. With its robust structure and straightforward operation system, the Mastenbrake 20/15 ensures safety and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for farmers, contractors, and construction units, contributing to sustainable development in the industry. A colossal bucket wheel excavator used at the Maid Mo coal mine in Thailand, standing as tall as a 20-story building and weighing as much as 20 Boeing 747s. These steel warriors conquer any treacherous terrain. A series of sharp steel buckets scoop up coal and transport it onto conveyor belts, achieving a capacity of 12,000 tons per hour. These excavators are not just symbols of strength and relentless labor, but also testimony to human ingenuity. The Amphibex E400E is a colossal dredging monster, powerful both on the water surface and underwater. With a strong engine and a flexible four-wheel drive system, E400E moves smoothly across all terrains, from marshes to swamps, handling mud and sand quickly with its massive hydraulic crane. Its watertight hull design and powerful hydraulic propulsion system enable efficient operation on both land and underwater, serving large-scale dredging projects and environmental protection efforts. However, its large size and high costs require high expertise and technical skills for operation and maintenance. The Piston Bully 600 is an icon of winter tourism technology, capable of powerful operation on mountainous terrain. Equipped with advanced diesel engine and robust steel frame, it ensures safety and smoothness on ski slopes. This machine is a crucial tool for maintaining and developing this area, offering unexpected and exciting experiences. John Deere 1270G windsurf embodies strength in the forestry industry with a sharp 3.66 meter wide cutting blade that easily processes all types of wood into suitable logs for various uses. The powerful engine roars confidently, maneuvering flexibly across any terrain without obstacles. Its modern grinding system produces fine wood chips that are easy to transport. The comfortable cabin features air conditioning and an air-suspended seat, ensuring absolute safety and comfort for the operator throughout the work process. The RJ's 250 impactor is a powerful recycling machine capable of processing up to 150-200 tons of materials per hour, such as concrete and stone bricks. With a diesel or electric engine, dimensions of approximately 10 mx 2.5 mx 3m, and weighing between 20 to 30 tons, the machine features an efficient cutting and crushing system. Automatic controls and overload protection ensure stable operation, meeting the efficient recycling needs of construction materials while saving energy. Equipped with a powerful electric motor ranging from 5.5 to 7.5, the machine can split wood up to 60 logs per minute with a compression force of up to 30 tons. Sharp blades made from high-quality steel ensure quick and precise wood cutting. Its sturdy design, flexible wheels, and comprehensive safety features provide convenience and safety for users. At the large coal mine, the Caterpillar 992G works tirelessly, transporting coal. With a massive 40-ton bucket, the 992G scoops up coal, extending its 12-meter-long arm, and dumps it into trucks. The Cat C32, a CERT engine, delivering 980 horsepower, and the flexible articulated frame enable the 992G to maneuver easily over rugged terrain. With a top speed of up to 72 km/h, the 992G transports coal quickly and efficiently, symbolizing strength, durability, and a strong work ethic. The AMEX ZM4 is a specialized device for harvesting onions, known for its high efficiency and ability to quickly process large volumes. The machine utilizes advanced technology to minimize damage to the onions, ensuring durability in tough working conditions. Easy to operate and adjustable, the AMEX ZM4 is trusted by many farmers to achieve consistent, high-quality harvest results. When it comes to wood chippers, one cannot overlook the Vermeer HG 6800TX chip drum, transforming raw logs into uniform wood chips. With its massive size and 4 sharp blades, this machine effortlessly grinds large tree trunks quickly and easily. Its operation sounds like a vibrant symphony, asserting its power. Sophisticated and durable, the HG 6800TX chip drum elevates the wood processing industry while protecting the environment. MASSIV E12 rotary blade saw is a powerful wood cutting machine with flexible rotary blades that cut through all types of wood, including the hardest varieties. It boasts a strong engine, a sturdy cast iron table, and an intelligent guiding system that ensures precision and smoothness for every cut. Safety locks ensure absolute safety for users. The saw's loud yet powerful and majestic sound evokes passion and creative inspiration. This machine is the perfect choice for professional woodworking shops and enthusiasts passionate about wood artistry. Image of the Unimog U530 with the OM936 engine, 6 cylinders, generating 220 Q/299 horsepower and 1400 Nm of torque, hard at work cleaning road shoulders. Its sharp blades effectively remove weeds, trash, and dust, restoring the beauty of the roads. The versatility and utility of the Unimog U530 play a crucial role in maintaining the environment and ensuring traffic safety.